Exercise 2.6 problem 4 discussion. Find the value of k if 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube up to k cube equal to 8281. Then find the value of 1 plus 2 plus 3 to k. Okay, it's an interesting problem. What they have done is that they have given the sum of cubes up to k as 8281, and they are asking you to calculate the sum of natural numbers up to k, right? It's exactly like the previous problem, right? So what we need to do is that write the formula for this. So that will be k into k plus 1 by 2 the whole square. So from which we can calculate k into k plus 1 by 2. And what is this? This is k into k plus 1 by 2, which is what you calculated here. Equate it and get the value. Okay. So if it is not clear, don't worry, we'll work it out. So we are given that the sum of cubes up to k is 6084. Okay, or actually, okay, that's fine. And we are asked to calculate 1 plus 2 plus 3 to k, the sum of natural numbers up to k. What is the formula? Sum of natural numbers up to k is n into n plus 1 by 2. Sum of natural numbers up to sum of cubes of natural numbers up to k is n into n plus 1 by 2 the whole square. So let's use this condition first. So substituting sum equal to 6084. So this, what is, write the formula, apply the formula, this formula for this series. So what will happen? Sigma of k equal to 1 to n k cubed equal to n k into k plus 1 by 2, because k n is, and the value of n is k. Okay, so it will become k into k plus 1 by 2 the whole square, right? Alright, so what will happen? But we know the sum is 6084. So this is nothing but 6084. K into k plus 1 by 2, the whole square is 6084. So when you take square root, you'll get the value of k into k plus 1 by, k into k plus 1 by 2. So that's what they say. So substitute the sum 6084 here and get the value of this term by taking square root both sides. Now at the end of the step, we have the value of k into k plus 1 by 2, right? Substitute the value, and now we are asked to find the sum of natural numbers 1 to k, that is sigma, that is k into k plus 1 by 2 the whole, k into k plus 1 by 2. But this is the one which you calculated here. So all we need to say is that the sum of this is exactly this. You got it? So all you need to do is take the square root of 6084 and get the value of k into k plus 1 by 2, which is the sum of the natural numbers up to k. Very simple. Okay. So pause the video here and try to work this problem in your notebook and come back and check your working against our solution. The solution. The sum of cubes is given by n into n plus 1 by 2 the whole square. So which means 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube up to k is k into k plus 1 by 2 the whole square, but that is given as 8281. So we want to find the value of k into k plus 1 by 2. So taking square root both sides, k into k plus 1 by 2 is root of 8281, that is equal to 91. Okay. So which means k into k plus 1 by 2 is 91. You don't need to solve all these things to get the value of k. Keep this value as it is. Now we are asked to find the sum of this series 1 plus 2 plus 3 to k. What is this? Sum of natural numbers. So that is sigma 1 to k of k equal to n into n plus 1 by 2. Right? So that will become 1 plus 2 plus 3 to k is k into k plus 1 by 2. But from equation 1, you know that that is equal to 91. So this is equal to 91. Which means 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to k is 91. You got it? That's all. So instead of giving the value k directly, they have given this series from which we can calculate the value of k into k plus 1 by 2, which is nothing but the sum of this series. That's all it is. Okay, so I hope I made it clear. Please check your working against our solution. If there is anything not going with our solution, please make suitable corrections in your working. If you have not understood, please go back and review the discussion as well as the solution part of the video one more time. Thanks for watching this video.